Ras Al Maa.
Ras Al Maa, a water reserve in Chefchaouen that provides fresh, clean water to its residents.
We're going down in Ras Al Maa.
Due to climate change and global warming, freshwater resources are rare, and we wanted to highlight this beautiful place and its importance to our world. Join us in our walking tour of Ras Al Maa. In many cities in Morocco, you are not able to drink the tap water, but here in Chefchaouen, the water is fresh and clean because of this water reserve, Ras Al Maa.
هاد البلاصه هادي اللي مورايا هي اللي كيقولوا راس الماء. الجو هنا زوين بزاف، واعر بصراحه، عامر بالناس. ايوا المهم خليكم معنا. اوكي nadine, what's up?
Eating some donuts. Sorry, I have stuff in my teeth. It's very peaceful because you have like the water on the rocks and you can hear it while you sit at one of the restaurants or the coffees, and there are a lot of kids playing and people dressed up in like the traditional dress from Chefchaouen. You can sit in these restaurants and eat.
Due to the global climate crisis, freshwater resources are becoming more and more rare, which is why a visit to Ras Al Maa is so special. In communities that have access to clean, fresh water, the outcomes in education and healthcare are far more positive. This shows how important clean, fresh water is to us as individuals, our communities, and our larger planet, and we must appreciate and take care of these spaces.